1/16. Yep. Because they did not want to go out with Alan.
They didn't?
They did not want to go out with Alan.
If everybody's wondering, basically, what we're doing now is we're doing the tear down of the motor. Gonna diagnose it, and because we know there's something
you go
down in the
side off
the lifters, so gonna have to. You're gonna have to get you a dead blow. Dead blow.
Right there, second drawer, down on the low side. Yep, that one. Screwdriver.
Oh, just tap on it.
Yep.
Okay. I always use one with.
Everybody's in on it.
Yep. Yep. No, you're just fuck. Come off! What the hell? Fuck! I didn't get that lucky.
It just slid right off here.
Oh fuck yes.
That looks all pretty good,
She's
don't
looking
it?
fucking good. She really is.
That all looks really good.
Yeah, that didn't help, but she looks pretty fucking good.
As far as there, but we're thinking the issue was down in here anyway.
I know the issue's down in here. I'm pretty goddamn sure the issue's down in here.
Yep.
That looks fucking clean as fuck.
Yep.
I'm like, no fucking buildup even. Well, no buildup even.
No what?
No
buildup.
Yeah, you know, you gotta watch your fucking mouth.
Yeah, apparently I say that a lot. I say that a lot, but yeah. But they're fucking, it's all clean.
It is clean.
It is clean as hell. Dude.
That's a good thing.
You got a way better deal than the dude that I fucking sold my motor to.
Now are we gonna pull this off?
And I love my brother.
Check your seats and everything?
Everything's coming off.
Yeah, okay.
Everything's coming off.
That's what I thought.
Now,
this part's going to take a half an hour?
I'm telling you, I don't. We're talking now, so I don't know
It
about
might be a little longer.
It
We might
would
have
have
to
been-
cut it and then do it like Larry said.
It'd be a half an hour if it was just me doing my fucking thing in my goddamn shop without anybody watching me, but...
Yeah, so this might be a long video, y'all.
With commentary, it might go longer.
This might be a long video, guys. So...
Well, you're at 3 minutes, 15 seconds.
I got this. I got this. I got this.
And as you can see, as y'all can tell, we got a voice-activated timer over here.
Yeah.
Yep, I got this. I got this. We're gonna fucking... Oh, no. Go in there. There we go. There we go.
Man, I thought that bolt was spinning.
Yeah, no.
I was gonna say,
this one wanted to do it too. That's why I skipped it. They wanted to do it too, though. All right, now we're gonna see the time case right now.
What?
So
Oh, yeah, I mean, it hasn't worked.
no, but
This is gonna look good.
now you're gonna look back in here. I'm telling you right now that one of these fucking lifters is what the problem is.
One day.
I guarantee it.
Well, yeah, look right here. We got it. Look right there.
Yep.
Got a flat spot
Yep.
on the lobe.
Yep.
Huh?
Got a flat lobe.
Well, no.
Or-
You see that? You see that lifter sitting on it?
Mm-hmm.
There should be a roller on there.
Yeah.
There's no roller. Roller's gone.
Yeah.
Same thing. Same thing I said. The same thing I just did.
is gone.
It's gone. There's no roller. You look
there
at
ain't a
the
roller
other
on that one over there.
I don't think this.
Them don't
I
have
don't
rollers.
think it had rollers.
Are you kidding me?
Yeah,
I'm
they're
dead
just
serious.
running the fucking
That thing
flat.
do not have
Well,
rollers.
but that cam.
No, that cam don't look good. It
don't
shouldn't
look
have that flat
It
spot there.
shouldn't, because this one doesn't have it.
What
No,
flat
that's
spot?
got a roller.
Does it?
Dude, that's got a roller. That's got a roller over there. You gotta look at it.
Oh, yeah, it does.
Fucking,
Yep.
It's got a fucking roller.
That part's
Yep.
fine.
There's
It
no
does.
fucking roller on
You
this.
gotta look
lifter.
on the very bottom of it.
Yeah,
There.
Oh, that.
yeah. You gotta
You
go
can
this
see the
way.
roller under there.
Oh, okay.
I'm telling you right now, this fucking
This
one does not have a fucking roller. on it.
Wow! Look at that
It should have
lifter.
a
Look at that edge of that lifter.
Yeah, we know.
Yeah.
That's what we
You can see the metal spurred
So
out on it.
yep.
Yep.
So what I'm gonna have to do. I already know this.
Good thing we're putting cams in it.
I already know how this. I already know how this is gonna go because we're gonna get this apart, and then I'm gonna have to grind it down with my Dremel just to get that lifter out of the goddamn house.
Yep. Yep.
'Cause I-
Oh yeah, because it won't come up out of it
Yeah,
because of that
it-
lip sticking
It
out.
fuck-
Right.
It does this.
Yep.
It
Mushroom.
mushrooms
Yep.
out, and then you're fucked.
Yep.
But yeah. Yep.
Okay, so yeah, we got a collapsed lifter or failed lifter.
Diagnosis done.
There,
Yep.
I got
And-
part of that.
We're gonna
But we were
pull-
expecting
we're
this,
gonna-
so that's
right.
a good thing.
That's exactly what we're expecting. So that's exactly what you should see.
Right.
Now we're gonna go further
Okay.
to
Good.
get
Well,
the rest of it off. Yeah. God, you asshole. Next socket. I need a half inch. Oh, hey, yeah, I got that. Just gonna stand there, fuckers.
well,
You got it.
You're supposed to help. You need
man,
to
you
help.
already got 4 hands in there. You don't need me off up in there.
Next, and then.
Smell burnt? Huh?
No, it doesn't even fucking smell burnt.
That root jug got hot?
That's odd, isn't it? Is it not odd that it doesn't smell burnt? That one smells burnt. The back one,
Not burnt, but
right? It smells hot.
Well, that
but
root jug
it
gets
doesn't
hot
smell
anyway.
like,
it doesn't
you
smell
know, like most of the bikes we
Don't
tear
smell like
apart.
metal.
I mean, that back jug is like, whew! It fucking permeate the whole entire garage.
10 millimeter?
We're getting there.
Did you find your
It's
10?
not 10 millimeters.
We're at 8 minutes.
And the timer chimes
Oh,
off
shit.
again.
Shit!
Well, I already told
I did tell her.
I already told him this is going to be a long video,
Yeah.
especially when Mr. Green Jeans over here.
What? What?
You know,
What?
did you ever see that movie, Old Brother Where Art
What are you
Thou?
talking about?
You ever
What are
see
you
that
talking
mo-
about?
You.
You're talking a lot of smack. And you're not backing it up. So shut the fuck up.
That's because I didn't come with reverse.
I don't come with reverse either.
Did you ever see that movie,
It's fucking
Old Brother Where Art Thou?
Forward going.
Did you ever see that
Pull
movie?
the rockers off. Should be. Son of a bitch. Them motherfuckers. They always hang me up. Every fucking time. I don't know how that happens. Set it right in the rocker. Oh, reset that deal on it. Yeah. Set it right in the rocker.
Wow.
What are you doing? What are you doing? You're playing with stuff. What are you doing?
It comes out anyway.
You're not a
Same
goddamn
thing you're gonna
mechanic.
do. Look at that.
You're not a goddamn mechanic. Yeah, they come out ish. They won't come out this side.
Yeah.
No. Trust me. They're not. Okay, well, you got them,
You
but
gotta put some oomph to it.
yeah, I wasn't wanting to put. Oh fuck! You already had adjustable push rods. That's a good thing.
That's good.
That means there's already cans put in this bitch.
Huh?
I guarantee there's already cans put in this bitch.
Yep.
But they didn't do this. They didn't upgrade this.
Yep.
Right here. And that's the fucking fail point. Right here.
This is what I'm
And-
talking about when I'm telling you about the
and-
timing chain on ours.
Yeah.
Right.
This little Teflon thing,
Is
that wears.
Wears
It's-
off.
And when that
horrible.
wears, this goes like this, and
And
it
it
jumps
crosses.
time, it
Well,
fucking
it's not
throws the
even
motor
that.
apart.
this wears and it throws that shit
But that
right
ain't.
into the
But
oil
that
pump
ain't even
that's
started
behind
wearing
here,
yet, huh?
and then throws it in your fucking oil filter.
But did you say
No.
that hadn't?
Stick your finger right here.
Did you say that hadn't started wearing yet?
That's from that.
Yep.
That's from that. But you know what?
See the metal?
It never made it outside this.
No.
Because it's a twin cam.
Yeah.
If it was Evo,
Like mine.
the entire thing would eat itself.
Yeah.
The
Okay.
entire motor
Well,
would eat
but
itself.
we're putting a new freaking oil thing on it
right.
and everything.
Yes.
So
But if that was the case in an Evo, if we stuck our finger in there and got that much metal, in an Evo, the entire
Thing would have to be
assembly is
replaced.
fucked. Because the Evo pumps the oil through the entire engine before it goes through the filter.
Yeah.
So it pumps whatever the hell debris through the engine and then filters it out when it goes to the tank.
right.
You got
And
oil all
a
over
twin
it.
cam,
Yeah.
that's normal.
Yeah.
Shit. That's normal though. But yeah, with a twin cam, it pumps it at least to the filter before it puts it in the engine. So it filters it out.
Wow. This thing's already got a 21-minute video on it. Now I'm chiming off time.
Hey, I don't want to fucking talk to you right
Got 12.
now.
Huh?
You're
Only
being
got
an
12
asshole.
minutes.
I don't want to talk to you right now.
Unless it says it's got 21 minutes left on the card.
Yeah, that's
Not
probably
yet.
right.
Oh, yeah.
Not yet. Let's get the cam case out first. That's a fucking half inch. No. No, that's not half inch. That's half inch.
If you put it on right.
Hey, shut the fuck up. Don't talk to me right now, fucker. There's a reason you're having me do this shit. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. I even have the fucking deal to untension that.
Which is probably what you need right now.
Hold on.
To get both these off at
Yep.
the same time.
Yup. I have a fucking special tool to do it. And the fucking pins and all that fucking crazy shit. I've always just pulled it. Because, you don't, at this point, you're getting rid of it, so you just fucking pull it.
Yeah.
And then a pin goes in there.
When you get
When
back.
you turn it
Right through
around,
this
you
hole
go right
here.
through the hole and it
Yeah.
goes right in that fucking deal. Alright, so I need a 1 inch.
I think the bigger one is.
Bigger? Oh, shit.
It's like 1 1/4, 1 1/8.
Yeah, I shouldn't have done this with you guys here.
You shouldn't have done it with us here.
Yeah. We ain't got a lot. We've been already done. I'm like,
Yeah.
I'm still talking. Yeah, no. It can't get much bigger than this one. This is the biggest fucking one I got in this set. I got a bigger set. I got a bigger set. It's just 1 inch
There we
drive.
go.
There it is.
That's it. And the breaker.
Yeah. You gotta have an adapter though. No, that's a half inch drive.
Yeah.
So yeah, that'll work.
Oh, you put the pin in. Ready?
Right?
I'm
Yeah,
not
I
sure
don't
I'm
know.
there.
I'm not feeling it. Go back and forth or whatever.
This
I don't
way
know.
more.
Probably. How the hell?
There you go.
There we go. It's still not in.
Nope. See it?
Nope. Back a little bit. Back a little bit up. Back a little bit up.
Okay, you
Yep,
got the
a little
wrench.
bit up.
You're controlling the wrench.
Motherfucker getting that fucking
You're in
hole.
too far to come back. There you go. A little bit more. Back this way. More.
A little further.
There you go. Should be about right there.
As long as it fucking stays, that's all that matters. And I don't, nope, it's not there.
Get some light up here where you can see.
There we go.
There we go.
We got full penetration. I'm just saying, we got full penetration. I bought this for a reason. This whole kit. Just so I could do these.
Yeah, you need them.
And then I need to get rid of them. But I need it to get to this point so that I can get
rid of what?
rid of it.
Oh, yeah.
Get
Yeah.
rid of the
Yep.
whole tension shoe thing. Yep, it fucking just walks off now. Yep, just walks off right now.
Yeah, it wasn't wearing real bad into that at all, was it?
There ain't no, well, a little bit. Not much, so.
No,
Not much at all.
it was doing good.
Yeah.
Because they probably replaced it. So they did can.
How many miles did they say was on this thing?
It's probably 40.
40 miles?
40,000.
40,000?
Yeah,
Oh, they probably redid this.
I guarantee
They had to.
They had to.
Yeah.
They had to.
Yeah.
When he started hearing noise, he shut it down.
Right, yeah, but he's noisy.
He's smart. He was
Yeah.
smart. I mean, I'll give my brother credit. He was fucking smart. He shut the fucker down.
Yeah.
Done. Because at that 40,000 miles,
And that was the time and chain, right?
Eliminated completely.
And that was the time and
Yeah.
chain,
And
right?
11 more
And that's
minutes.
going to be geared.
Before 30,000.
Before I got half an hour.
Yep.
Oh shit. Yep, I got 11 more minutes. I can get it done. I can do this.
Yeah, I got 15 minutes on this thing.
Bite
as
me.
record time. And then I'm going to have to delete some of the other videos off of it so I can add. That's what it is. It's my memory card's getting full.
Get in there. That should be it. Because there should be
Going
4 for the oil pump.
Further.
4 for the oil pump.
Oh.
It should not be part of the fucking plate.
Yours all the way through.
Yeah,
right?
it's goddamn.
I
It's
think
fucking
they do.
deep. They don't go all the way through. I know this for a fact. I'll take them off, but they don't go all the way through. So it just needs a little pressure.
There we go.
Yep, it just needs a little
Uh-oh.
pressure. That's all it needed. All right, you see that cam right there? You're fucked. That's
Yeah.
fucked. That cam is fucked.
Good thing we're
That
putting new
seat.
ones in it.
Yeah, that seat that's the one that did it.
Yep.
That's the one that was making the
That's
noise.
the one that's laying
That
right back
lifter
there.
right there, and you can't get the
Oh,
fucker
dude.
out through the bottom.
And it is mushroomed like a
Yeah,
motherfucker.
and I'm gonna have to
Yeah.
grind it off
In order
just
to
so I
get it
can
out.
pull it out through the top. I already knew that was gonna happen as soon as I took that other one apart. I'm like, oh shit.
Oh, yeah. It's
That's why I brought my
Feel it.
Dremel.
Look right here.
Yeah,
Holy shit.
it's horrible. Look at that,
It
Louis.
broke it all off.
Put some light in
Look at
there.
Well, look, this is what it's supposed to look like.
Yeah.
Look at this one.
There you go. Put some light in there. Yeah,
See?
it's done.
Wow. Yeah.
Yeah,
It's
it
fucking
broke
flat.
the side right off of it.
Yep.
And that is. Well,
No, and dude, he did it.
That's a
He
piece?
shut it down right.
That's a piece of it.
Yep. He
That-
shut it
no,
down
that
right,
ain't, that
dude.
ain't a piece of it. That's just, where's that piece at?
Well, that came out of everything. Yeah, no, I mean, I got everything in my hand.
This piece?
So what do you
this.
got?
This whole piece is gone.
No.
Oh yeah, it's all
The
gone.
roller's still there.
Yeah, but the
Yeah.
whole side
Right,
of the
but
case thing is
it's
gone.
wearing. Yeah, it went to wearing the entire roller, the entire lifter instead of the roller, because the lifter was fucked, or the roller was
So-
fucked, so it sucked up in there, and then it started wearing the fucking lifter. Just like the other one I'm doing at the house. Same thing. I mean, it's if you do cams, you do lifters,
Yeah.
and that's not how it goes.
well, this will.
Because all these builders that I've ever fucking met have always said, "Oh, your lifters will be fine. We'll just put these."
Well, this will be
cams in.
good
We'll
because it'll
you
get new
up
cam
there."
bearings and freaking cams.
No.
And everything.
No.
So, I mean, it's going to get
Yeah.
new cam bearings, cams.
Yeah, it's gonna be
Freaking oil
fucking
pump.
spectacular. You have no idea. It's gonna be spectacular.
Got 8 minutes.
Yeah, fucking A, do that.
Got 8 minutes?
Yep.
Okay. All right, we're pulling jugs now.
Okay, hold on. Before we start pulling jugs, we'll stop this
You-
here.
You better do whatever.